Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a full review of Affiliate Real AI. Is it really worth your time and money, or is it just another overhyped AI tool? I've tested it out, dug into the features, pros and cons, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly if this is the right choice for you. So make sure to stick around, you don't want to miss this one. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest reviews just like this. Why affiliate marketing works for anyone. The beauty of affiliate marketing is its simplicity. You're essentially a digital matchmaker, connecting consumers with solutions they're already searching for. Every day, millions of people search online for solutions to their problems. When you position yourself between those searchers and the perfect product solution, you earn substantial commissions, often $50, $100, or even $500 plus per sale. The 3 reasons most people fail at affiliate marketing, and how you'll succeed. Despite its simplicity, most people fail at affiliate marketing for 3 specific reasons. 1. They choose hyper-competitive, low-commission niches. 2. They struggle to create quality content that converts. 3. They can't generate consistent traffic to their affiliate offers. But what if you could eliminate all 3 problems instantly? What if you could identify profitable, under-the-radar niches with minimal competition? What if professional quality content that converts visitors into buyers was created automatically? And what if targeted traffic was generated for you around the clock? This is your opportunity to rule affiliate marketing with affiliate sites. Imagine waking up to commission notifications on your phone. While you were sleeping, your affiliate sites were working, recommending products, convincing visitors, and generating commissions. No employees. No inventory. No headaches. Just a steady stream of passive income that grows month after month. This isn't some distant dream. This is the reality for thousands of people who have discovered the right approach to affiliate marketing. The only missing piece, automation. For years, the only thing preventing most people from affiliate marketing success was the sheer amount of work required. Researching profitable niches took weeks. Creating websites required technical skills. Writing compelling content demanded expertise. Generating traffic remained mysterious and expensive. But today, that final barrier has been eliminated. Technology has finally caught up with the dream, and for the first time ever, the entire affiliate marketing process can be automated from start to finish. People are absolutely loving Affiliate Real AI. Built 6 affiliate sites while my baby was napping. Making $1,650/month passive income from fitness and wellness niches. Woke up to $94 in overnight commissions yesterday. This is the real deal. Alex, solopreneur. I'm charging clients $3,000 for custom affiliate sites that Affiliate Real AI builds in 90 seconds. Added $21,000 to my agency revenue in 2 months. My clients have no idea, they think I'm a genius. Alice, online entrepreneur. So that's my honest review. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right fit for you. If you're ready to check it out for yourself, I've dropped the link in the description below, and yes, that link includes some special bonuses you won't find anywhere else. If you got value from this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more reviews just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.